Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Karon magstorya ta about unsaon pagka-information literate person. Ug dira ko ang tao diri. Silin og Daniela, ikaw ang among cameraman.
Know which information you should acquire. This skill is important because you need to know the right information in order to back up your output. For example, Ma, unsa ganito kailangan ako i-search? Katong sila sa Lazada, good kayo mapalit ng bagong bra? Di mo kayo ma-insulti mo sa kailangan dyan ako i-search. Ay, para kibaw ko unsa dyan kailangan ng information.
Second is access. Dapat kabalo ka kung unsa nga search engine imong gamiton or kung unsa or asa ka mo access sa imong information like PD books, mga past articles na nasuwat or mga past research papers nga na-produce. It can be anything as long as kabalo ka kung unsa ang imong i-access para sa imong gikinahanglan na information. For example, sige naman lang ako pirmi mo suguon. Kung naminaw pa lang ka Sir Amancio sa GenMat, tira ka mag-search sa ako kung saan mo pag-solve ang GenMat. Kapuyan ni mo, oy. Nailibro, oh. Try ko na pag-access of information dia. Kapuy kay kada.
Sa pag-evaluate sa information, tan-awa ang source nga imong source. Third, evaluate. Sa pag-evaluate nimo sa imong information, tanawa kung imong source. Tanawa kung diin ka ang information. Tanawa kung reliable ba siya. Maura na. Thank you. Kato nyo nakita kayo sa fake news. Kato ang example sa fake news. Nga birthday daw gahapon ni Charlie. August pa yung birthday dahil. Nga naabot gahapon dahil.
Wow! Use, incorporate ethically and legally. You must always be open to new information when it comes to putting information inside of your outputs in order to heighten their quality. But you must never forget the act of plagiarism. You must remember the different citations when it comes to the author's rights and the rights to the work, because plagiarism is an act punishable by law.
Lastly, remember!
Know means to know exactly what information you should use for your project.
To access is to know what search engines or materials you will use to search for your information.
To evaluate, that is where you get your information. Evaluate your source if it is reliable and if it is valid.
Use, incorporate ethically and legally. You must always remember plagiarism because, remember, plagiarism is an act punishable by law.
So that's all for today. Bye!